तो सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से आए क्वेश्चंस को। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच आर्टिकल इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया रिलेट्स टू द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ लॉज मेड बाय पार्लियामेंट टू गिव इफेक्ट टू ट्रीटीज एंड इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट। इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट से रिलेटेड जो आर्टिकल है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का वो है आर्टिकल 253। डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Second, who among of these determines the question whether a member of Lok Sabha has become subject to disqualification on the ground of defection in term of the 10th schedule of the Constitution? तो जो स्पीकर हैं वो डिटरमाइन करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। Third question, languages to be used in the Supreme Court and in the High Courts and for all acts, bills, etc. until the Parliament otherwise provides shall be. इसका आंसर है A, English language. Fourth, a professor of university who is an eminent jurist is eligible to be appointed as a judge. इसका आंसर है C, in Supreme Court. Question number 5, who among the following holds his office at the pleasure of the president? तो इसका आंसर है बी, अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया जो है वो होल्ड करते हैं अपने ऑफिस को एट द प्लेजर ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट। इन द फॉलोइंग विच डिस्प्यूट इज नॉट कवर्ड इन ओरिजिनल ज्यूरिसडिक्शन ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट। सो इसका आंसर है डी, प्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ट्रीटी और अग्रीमेंट जो है ओरिजिनल ज्यूरिसडिक्शन में नहीं आता। सेवेंथ, एज पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन खाप पंचायत हैव नो अथॉरिटी टू ऑर्डर ऑनर किलिंग। ये कौन से केस में बोला गया था? इसका आंसर है ए, शांति वाहिनी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। एथ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिट्स कैन बी इशूड ओनली अगेंस्ट जुडिशियल और क्वासी जुडिशियल अथॉरिटीज। तो इसका आंसर है सर्चुराई राय। ये जुडिशियल या क्वासी जुडिशियल अथॉरिटीज के अगेंस्ट इशू होता है। आर्टिकल 24 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्पीक अबाउट no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or other hazardous employment। तो हमेशा याद रखिए 14 years जो है वो एज है, आर्टिकल 24 में दे रखी है। आंसर इज ए। क्वेश्चन 10, विच आर्टिकल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड्स प्रोविजंस ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड। तो आर्टिकल 44 यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड की बात करता है। अब जो क्वेश्चन है वो है सीपीसी से। Question 11. Under Order 32 Rule 9 of the CPC, a next friend of a minor can be removed. कब आप remove कर सकते हैं next friend of a minor? तो इसका आंसर है for any of these reasons. इन तीनों reasons के केस में आप remove कर सकते हैं। Question 12. Which section of CPC embraces the principle of restitution? तो इसका आंसर है section 144. Under CPC, when application for review is dismissed, तो इसका आंसर है when no appeal lies, तब application for review dismiss हो जाती है। Question 14, where an order allowing amendment, no time is prescribed, then amendment can be made from the date of order in. तो इसका आंसर है 14 days, B. Question 15, where an injunction has been granted without giving notice to the opposite party, the court shall make an endeavor to finally dispose of the application within. इसका आंसर है 30 days. Question 16, no arrest and detention and civil imprisonment can be made if the decree is for payment of. इसका आंसर है not exceeding ₹2000. Question 17, as per section 148 of CPC, the court may enlarge the prescribed period for 30 days. Option B. Question 18, even after ex parte proceedings, the defendant can take part in further proceedings of the suit. This principle was pronounced by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of. इसका आंसर है अर्जुन सिंह वर्सेस मोहिंदर कुमार। Question 19, judgment and decree passed by the court which lacks inherent jurisdiction. इसका आंसर है all of these are correct. Question 20, under which provision decree amount may be directed for payment in installments after passing the decree. इसका आंसर है B, Rule 11 of Order 20. Suits for declaration and injunction in respect of public nuisances under section 91 of CPC can be instituted by. इसका आंसर है D, 2 or more persons with the leave of the court. 22, dismissal of suit by court under Order 17 Rule 3 CPC, only remedy available to plaintiff is to file an appeal. इसका आंसर है A. 23, suit was filed on 20 November 2012 and it has been specifically pleaded that cause of action arose on 6th October 2012. Defendant appeared and without filing written statement, he filed an application under Order 7 Rule 2 CPC on the ground that suit is barred by limitation. State which is the correct legal position. So इसका आंसर है dismissal of application will be proper. Option C, objection could not be decided without recording evidence of parties. Question 24, इस क्वेश्चन को आप रीड कर लीजिएगा। इसका आंसर है B, non maintainable. Question 25, which one comes in the purview of formal defect for withdrawal of suit under Order 23 Rule 13 of CPC? इसका आंसर है all of these. क्वेश्चन 26, अब ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट शुरू हो गया है. 26, ट्रांसफर ऑफ ओनरशिप ऑफ इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी इन एक्सचेंज फॉर अ प्राइस पेड और प्रॉमिस्ड और पार्टली प्रॉमिस्ड इज कॉल्ड एज. इसका आंसर है सेल. A gives a lakh of rupees to B, reserving to himself with B's assent the right to take back at pleasure rupees 10,000 out of the lakh. The gift in respect of rupees 10,000, इसका आंसर है is void. Improvements to mortgage properties provided in which of the section of TPA? इसका आंसर है section 63A. In the absence of a contract or local law or usage to contrary, a lease of immovable property for manufacturing purposes shall be deemed to be. इसका आंसर है from year to year. 30. A lease of immovable property from year to year or exceeding 1 year can be made only. इसका आंसर है by a registered instrument. 31. What is the effect of holding over? इसका आंसर है B. The lease is renewed. 32. Which section of TPA is related to oral transfer? तो 32 का आंसर है सेक्शन 9 B. अब जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो हैं इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट से. अ प्रॉमिस टू पे टाइम बार्ड डेट इज. इसका आंसर है enforceable. Where both the parties to an agreement are under a mistake as to a matter of fact essential to the agreement, then इसका आंसर है agreement is void. C. When the agent contracts without disclosing name and existence of his principal, in such a case, on knowing the principal, the third party may file a suit against. इसका आंसर है either agent or principal or both. 36. Active concealment of fact is associated with. इसका आंसर है B. Fraud. 37. इस क्वेश्चन को भी आप रीड कर लीजिएगा. इसका आंसर है B. Bailment. 38. A promises B to drop a prosecution which he had instituted against B for robbery, and B promises to restore the value of things taken. The agreement is void. Question 39. A promises to deliver goods to B on a certain day at a certain date on the payment of rupees 1,000. A dies before that day. इसका आंसर है D. A's representatives are bound to deliver the goods to B, and B is bound to pay rupees 1,000 to the representatives of A. 40. An agreement entered into with free consent and lawful, but with inadequate consideration, then such is lawful. Option B. 41. अब आ जाता है Specific Relief Act. Under Specific Relief Act, specific relief can be granted. इसका आंसर है for the purpose of enforcing individual civil rights. 42. Section 20A was inserted into the Specific Relief Act in respect of special provisions of contracts which are. इसका आंसर है infrastructure projects. 43. Declaratory decree is binding only on. इसका आंसर है all of these. Which of the following is not the essential condition for applicability of Section 8 of Specific Relief Act? इसका आंसर है C. The defendant must be owner of the property. ये essential condition नहीं है. 45. Which of the following facts is not correct under Section 14A? इसका आंसर है B. The opinion of expert may not form part of the record. 46. In a suit for specific performance of contract in which compensation has not been claimed, fresh suit for compensation. इसका आंसर है B. is barred. अब आ जाते हैं हम लिमिटेशन एक्ट पे. 47. Where the prescribed period of limitation for any application is expiring on a holiday, the application may be made on the day when the court reopens. Option B. 48. Any suit for which no period of limitation is provided elsewhere in Limitation Act 1963, the period for filing a suit is. इसका आंसर है C. 3 years from the date when the right to sue accrues. लीगल डिसेबिलिटीज आर. इसमें क्या क्या लीगल डिसेबिलिटीज हैं 49 में पूछा है. इसका आंसर है ऑल ऑफ दीज. 50. व्हाट इज द लिमिटेशन फॉर फोरक्लोजर? इसका आंसर है D. 30 years. अब है हम एमपी अकोमोडेशन कंट्रोल एक्ट 1961. क्वेश्चन 51 आप पढ़ लीजिएगा. इसका आंसर है D. सेक्शन 13(6). और क्वेश्चन 52 अंडर एमपी अकोमोडेशन कंट्रोल एक्ट विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट मेंबर ऑफ फैमिली. तो इसका आंसर है मैरिड सिस्टर. इसका आंसर है D. रिटायर्ड एम्प्लॉय इन प्राइवेट कंपनी. द स्टैंडर्ड रेंट शैल बी फिक्स फॉर टेनेंसी ऑफ. आंसर C. 12 months. 55. ये क्वेश्चन भी आप रीड कर लीजिएगा. इसका आंसर है द हाई कोर्ट. 56. ये है एमपी लैंड रेवेन्यू कोड. Under Chapter 9 of MP Land Revenue Code, all entries made under this chapter in the land record shall be presumed to be correct until the contrary is proved. तो ये कौन से सेक्शन में दे रखा है? इसका आंसर है D. सेक्शन 117. एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड बाय भूमि स्वामी में लीज फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ, इसका आंसर है डी 5 years अ टाइम। 58 सेक्शन 131 ऑफ द एमपी लैंड रेवेन्यू कोड पे पूछा है, इसका आंसर है बी rights of way and other private easements। 59 which of the following revenue authority does not confer with the revisional powers under the MP land revenue code, इसका आंसर है D subdivisional officer। If a Bhumi Swami belonging to Aboriginal tribe is dispossessed of his land otherwise than in due course of law during year 2005, he can make application for restoration of possession within, answer is C, 5 years। 61 in which of the following sections of Indian Evidence Act provision as to refresh memory has been given, इसका आंसर है C, section 159। What minimum number of witnesses are required to prove offence of dacoity in a trial, इसका आंसर है no particular number of witnesses, option D। 63 A prosecutes B for theft and wishes the court to believe that B admitted the theft to C, तो ये किसे प्रूव करना पड़ेगा? 63 का आंसर है A must prove the admission। 64 under section 145 of Indian Evidence Act, a witness may be cross examined as to previous statement in writing, इसका आंसर है B without proving the same but only after showing the same to the witness। 65 admissions are not conclusive proof of the facts admitted but they may operate as, 65 का आंसर है estoppels B। 66 under section 32(1) of Evidence Act, statement made by these are relevant, इसका आंसर है A persons who are dead। 67 in which case section 27 of Indian Evidence Act was held to be valid under article 14, इसका आंसर है C state of UP versus Dioman Upadhyay। 68 evidence of a witness in a previous proceeding would be admissible under section 33 of Evidence Act only if the adverse party in the first proceeding had the right and the opportunity to cross examine the witness, the statement is, 68 का आंसर है A true। A party can ask questions to his own witness under which section of the Indian Evidence Act, इसका आंसर है B section 154। Which one of the following sections of Indian Evidence Act has been inserted by the Dowry Prohibition Act, so 70 का आंसर है C section 113B। 71 under Indian Evidence Act evidence may be given in respect of, इसका आंसर है C fact and issue and relevant fact। 72 a disputed handwriting can be proved, इसका आंसर है D all of these। 73 confession of an accused is admissible against, इसका आंसर है A if they are tried jointly for the same offences। 74 the facts that form part of the same transaction are relevant, answer है B under section 6 of Evidence Act। 75 in case of wills under section 90 of Evidence Act the period of 30 years shall run, इसका आंसर है A from the date of the will। 76 अब आ गया है Indian Penal Code, if the offence is punishable with fine the imprisonment in default of payment of fine shall be, इसका आंसर है B simple। An offence is punishable with imprisonment as well as fine, the maximum punishment in default of fine which can be given is, इसका आंसर है C not more than 1/4 of the maximum prescribed imprisonment for the offence। 78 A agree with B that he will help B in copying in his examination, this is an act of, इसका आंसर है A criminal conspiracy। 79 A 17 years old daughter of B, C without consent of B takes A for a tour of South India, C has committed the offence of, 79 का आंसर है A kidnapping। In Joseph Shine versus Union of India, Supreme Court of India declared which section of the IPC ultra vires, 80 का आंसर है D section 497। 81 right of private defense is not available, इसका आंसर है C where there is sufficient time to take recourse of public authorities। 82 A finds a valuable ring not knowing to whom it belongs, A sells it immediately without discovering its owner, A is guilty of offence under which section, 82 का आंसर है A section 403, इसका आंसर है B Dolly Income Tax। 84 A knowing that B has murdered Z against B to hide the body with the intention of screening B from punishment, A is liable under which section, 84 का आंसर है D 201। 85 A holds Z down and fraudulently takes Z's money and jewels from Z's clothes without Z's consent. For doing A aforesaid, A voluntarily caused wrongful restraint to Z, A committed, 85 का आंसर है B robbery। 86 A instigated B to murder C who refuses to do so, A is guilty of, इसका आंसर है B abetment to commit murder। 87 A and B are good friends, A proposes B for marriage but she denies, A in suspicion of B's love affair with someone else monitors her mobile phone and email account used by B, what offence has been committed by A, so 87 का आंसर है C stalking। 88, an act which is done by a judge when acting judicially in the exercise of any power which is or which in good faith he believes to be given to him by law, then act of judge. 88 का आंसर है B, is not offense. 89, a poor student finds a letter on the road containing a bank note. From the content and direction of letters, he learns whom the note belongs. A uses that note for buying some books. A has committed. 89 का आंसर है A, the offense of dishonest misappropriation of property. 90, out of these offences against property, the right of private defence is not available. इसका आंसर है A, criminal breach of trust. अब क्वेश्चन है सीआरपीसी से. 91, अंडर सेक्शन 313 ऑफ सीआरपीसी, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द अक्यूज्ड, इसका आंसर है बी, इज रिकॉर्डेड विदाउट ओथ. 92, एंटिसिपेटरी बेल अंडर सेक्शन 438 कैन बी इन्वोक्ड इन केसेस ऑफ, इसका आंसर है बी, नॉन बेलेबल ऑफेंसेस. अब 93, नॉन बेलेबल ऑफेंसेस बोथ अंडर चैप्टर 21 ऑफ सीआरपीसी विद व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम सेंटेंस ऑफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट व्हिच कैन बी इम्पोज्ड फॉर एन ऑफेंस ट्राइड एज समरी ट्रायल. 93 का आंसर है सी, 3 months. 94, under CRPC in which provision examination of accused is made after the prosecution evidence. So 94 का आंसर है B, section 313. 95, magistrate of the first class passes a sentence of fine of 100 rupees only. Appeal can be made to. 95 का आंसर है D, no appeal can be made. 96, under section 167 of CRPC, the longest period for which an accused can be remanded for police custody is, इसका आंसर है A, 15 days. 97, ये क्वेश्चन आप रीड कर लीजिएगा. 97 का आंसर है ए, द पर्सन इज कन्विक्टेड फॉर ऑफेंसेस अंडर सेक्शन 435 आईपीसी, इज सेंटेंस्ड फॉर 7 years. 98, as per section 372 of CRPC, victim shall have a right to prefer an appeal, but he cannot file against the order which is, इसका आंसर है C, the court has imposed inadequate sentence. 99, which section of CRPC mandates that no court, when it has signed its judgment or final order disposing of a case, shall alter or review the same except to correct a clerical or arithmetical error. इसका आंसर है C, section 362. Person is convicted for life imprisonment for the offence of section 302 of IPC. The appropriate government may commute the sentence for the minimum period of, इसका आंसर है 14 years, C. 101, besides section 209 CRPC, which other section also provides for committal of cases to the session court? इसका आंसर है C, 323. Which irregularities vitiate proceeding if any magistrate not being empowered? इसका आंसर है C, tries an offender summarily. 103, whether before conclusion of the trial and before disposal of the appeal, accused can be asked to execute bail bonds to appear before the higher court. इसका आंसर है yes, as per section 437A CRPC. तो 103 का आंसर है A. 104, the protection against double jeopardy is contained in which section of CRPC? इसका आंसर है B, section 300. Under which section of CRPC an accused person can himself be a competent witness? इसका आंसर है D, section 315. अब हम बात करेंगे नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एक्ट की. 106, नथिंग इन सेक्शन 138 नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एक्ट शैल अप्लाई. इसका आंसर है सी, द चेक हैज बीन प्रेजेंटेड टू द बैंक विद इन अ पीरियड ऑफ 6 months और विद इन द पीरियड ऑफ इट्स वैलिडिटी व्हिचएवर इज अर्लियर फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ इट्स इशुएंस. 107, if in a check amount ordered to paid is written differently in figure and in words, इसका आंसर है B, by the amount written in words shall be undertaken or ordered to be paid. 108, which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? इसका आंसर है A, bond. 109, proceedings under section 138 negotiable instruments act which defense shall not be allowed. इसका आंसर है C, drawer has no reason to believe when he issued the check it may be dishonored. 110, under section 23 of negotiable instrument act, a promissory note or bill of exchange dated 31st August 2018 is made payable 3 months after date. The instrument is at maturity on the, इसका आंसर है D, 3rd December 2018. अब बारी आती है जनरल नॉलेज की. विच रिवर ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश इज नोन एज गोल्डन रिवर? इसका आंसर है ए, सोन. 112, इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ एमपी बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ चंद्रशेखर आजाद इज सिचुएटेड? 112 का आंसर है ए, अलीराजपुर. कुचिपुड़ी डांस इज कनेक्टेड टू विच स्टेट? इसका आंसर है सी, आंध्र प्रदेश. वेयर इज चंदोली नेशनल पार्क? इसका आंसर है बी, महाराष्ट्र. 115, G4 group of nations does not include? इसका आंसर है सी, श्रीलंका. पालपुर कूनो सैंचुरी इज इन? इसका आंसर है ए, श्योपुर एमपी. हु वाज द चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ 70th रिपब्लिक डे फंक्शन? इसका आंसर है सी, साउथ अफ्रीकन प्रेसिडेंट. 118, हु वर द फर्स्ट यूरोपियंस टू सेट अप सी ट्रेड सेंटर्स इन इंडिया? इसका आंसर है सी, द पोर्चुगीज. The first Asian Games were held at? इसका आंसर है C, न्यू दिल्ली. Who designed the Indian flag? इसका आंसर है B, पिंगलई वेंकैया. Writer of book Oliver Twist? इसका आंसर है C, चार्ल्स डिकिंस. 122 unit for measuring flow of electricity, A ampere. Light year is unit of, B distance. Shak era was introduced 124, इसका आंसर है in 78 AD. On which day the national anthem was adopted by the Constitution Assembly? इसका आंसर है B 24 Jan 1950. 126 Telangana is the 29th state of India. Dr. S. Chandrasekhar was awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1983, the field of, इसका आंसर है B physics. Who was the youngest evolutionary to be awarded death sentence? इसका आंसर है A Khudiram Bose. 129 Who was the Viceroy of India when the Rowlatt Act was passed? इसका आंसर है C Lord Chelmsford. 130 Bansagar project is situated on which river? इसका आंसर है A Son. अब हम बात करते हैं कंप्यूटर नॉलेज. 131 which of the following is the largest unit of storage? इसका आंसर है D TB. 132 which of the following can be used to select documents? A control plus A. MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. A. 134 the most frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data is A keyboard. 135 which of the following medium is used between CPU and RAM to speed up the processing power of a CPU? इसका आंसर है D cache memory. 136 function key dash provides help topics and tips to accomplish task. इसका आंसर है A F1. 137 what kind of operations can a computer carry out? 137 का आंसर है A arithmetic and logical. 138 which of the following is the processing unit of the computer? इसका आंसर है A CPU. Who is considered as the father of the computer? इसका आंसर है C Charles Babbage. 140 which of the following is the basic function of a computer? इसका आंसर है D all of these. अब है इंग्लिश नॉलेज. क्वेश्चन 141 चूज द करेक्ट पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ द गिवन सेंटेंस. द चाइल्ड ब्रोक द मिरर. इसका आंसर है बी द मिरर वाज ब्रोकन बाय द चाइल्ड. 142 रेप्रोबेट मींस अ पर्सन विदाउट मॉरल स्क्रपल्स. ए अ पर्सन जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्टेड इन द वेलफेयर एंड इमेंसिपेशन ऑफ वुमेन इज. इसका आंसर है ए फेमिनिस्ट. 144 एंटोनिम्स ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंट इज. इसका आंसर है सी ओपेक. 145 एड्यूलेशन मींस. इसका आंसर है डी एडमायरेशन. 146 सी आई टू आई का बेस्ट एक्सप्रेशन है अग्री बी. 147 गिव द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ अबटिंग. इसका आंसर है सी एडजॉइनिंग. 148 डैश इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंड वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट स्टेट्स टू बी इन. इसका आंसर है एंटिसिपेशन सी. Which one of the following means the same? A person with whom one shares a private matter trusting them to not repeat to other. इसका आंसर है बी confidant. 150 choose the one which expresses the meaning of the given word prodigal. इसका आंसर है डी wasteful.